Why, hello everyone. So, we're gonna do this vampy look today. I'm taking the Hunt or Die contact lens. I have the red one, so I'm putting that on here. And I'm taking the Primark Pure Primer. I call this the unicorn blood. So, let's prep our face. Next, I'll be taking the Rimmel foundation and I'm taking the Primark Lightning just to make my skin a little bit fair, to make me look like I'm a little bit dead. Taking my foundation fluffy brush and just buffing that through. There's a lot of buffing going on here, guys, so do bear with me. But yeah, just take it down the neck to make it more surreal. Next, I'm taking my Primark blender and just buffing it all out just to have that nice smooth finish. Next, I'm taking the Primark Skinny Brow Pencil and just filling in my brows, start shaping them. I'm going to do for the next brow as well. And then I'm going to use the spoolie side and start filling that in and just buff everything out to make it nice and smooth. So I'm taking the Soph palette. I'm using the color 21 here with my big fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to buff that through my crease. We're going to use that translucent color. And with the power of editing, the other eye was done. So next I'm taking a smaller bluffer brush and I'm taking the color Mulled Wine and putting that on my crease line. And I'm gonna start blending it out. I'm going for the whole red, smoky, like, well, not red, more like Burberry, more like berry, smoky eye going on here. And just gonna keep buffing that out. There's a lot of blending going on here, guys, because I really like to have that nice, smooth, berry look going on. So I'm taking a smaller buffer brush and I'm taking the color 21 and putting underneath my my under eye right here. I'm just gonna drag that down and just buff that through. And then I'm with that same brush, I'm gonna take the color Mulled Wine again and just put that at the bottom and start blending that through. So I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush now and then just start blending, really. Just like blend it all the way out. With my finger, I'm going to take the color Reputation from the palette. It's a very pigmented black, so that's why I use my finger. I'm going to take a clean, smaller buffer brush and just blend that out. Excuse me, I'm just singing here. Just keep blending all the way out. I'm not going to be going back with that same color. I'm just using whatever I have on my lids and blend everything out. I'm going to take it down to my under eye as well. The same color black and just keep buffing it out. Next, oh, I'm still taking the same blending brush that we did from the under eye and just buff it all out, really. Next, I'm taking the smaller, thin pencil brush looking thing and taking the color 21 again and just drawing little veins, as you can see, very lightly. I'm not very sanitary, guys, so I use my own saliva just to, make it more pigmented. Just start making my little veins like Vampire Diaries. This is where the inspiration came from, guys. By the way, taking my references from there. Next, I'm going to take Mulled Wine again and I'm going to start going back to those veins and start making them more prominent. So I'm going to leave some of the 21 alone shade and I'm going to go back with the Mulled Wine and go over the 21. I'm going to take the same black, that same buffer brush I used for the black one and just go to my under eye and just like buffing that out. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I did that. Yes, I've taken also Reputation again and just put a little bit black on my veins. There I go again, being unsanitary. Liner. Liner is my fave. I'm going to start lining my eyes. I'm gonna go all the way now, make it more like seductive. Seductive cat eye for a vampire. And by the way, guys, vampire is like my fave, if anyone was wondering. Next thing, I'm taking my Kiko mascara. This is one of the best mascara I've ever used. I'm taking that in and just putting mascara like a normal person would do. Putting my lower lash line, which is important. Next, I'm taking my NYX bronzer and my Primark fan brush. When I'm watching this, it looks like I have like I'm airbrushing my face with this fan. So I'm just bronzing my face a little bit. I don't want to be too like pale. I want it pale and bronze at the same time, if that makes sense. Next, I'm taking the Primark long wearing lip liner in the color Midnight Crimson and just lining my lips. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice. Next, I'm taking the Primark lipstick called Obsession. This is the best color shade for the vampy look you're going for. You don't have to go vampy if you want to make it an everyday autumn kind of look. It's best to do that. No DIY here, taking my little string, making a choker out of it. Well, tempting to. And put some fangs on, and there you have it. And to have this finishing look, if you want to, you can always add blood. I got this from Primark, so they are selling it at the moment now, so if you want to, you can grab it from there. Just put some blood on your face like you had dinner and everything, and that is the complete vampire look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and my little tips and tricks. And yeah, have fun with makeup, guys. It's Halloween and get your spook on. For those who love this, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you're new, subscribe. Love you guys. Have a happy Halloween.